Hey guys, welcome back. And if you're new, hi, my name is Vanessa.
Going on a little friends date with one of my girlfriends, and I'm trying to figure out what to wear. Like, I like this because it's a rooftop.
If you like, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
But I feel like this is more for the beach because let me show you the shoes. I go with this outfit beautifully. Perfect. So this is an option because I do want to be sexy because we're going to be taking pictures also, so I do want to be, you know, sexy, but I feel like this is more for summer vibes on the beach. So the second option is this one. Like, I'm trying to show a little skin, but not that much. Of course, with a bra, my cha-cha is going to be up there, but I like this. I'm just trying to get all of my summer stuff out the way because I do have a lot of these floral ones that are more summery, and we're getting into fall. But this is nice. See my grandma's. I like this one, and I feel like this is good for a rooftop, but also for the beach. Ross, yesterday I bought 3 pair of shoes. These, the green one, and there's another patent leather brown, like actually match me brown pump that I've never seen before, so I got that. But I was surprised. I was like, okay, Rossi's stepping it up. So I got this. I don't know if you guys can see it. Boop. And these are comfy too. But again, this is not giving, it's not giving rooftop. This is giving more vacation, beach wear, maybe just a regular restaurant. And yes, I have my pumpkins out. It's that time. But I love it. Alright, so let me try another one because I'm feeling green. I'm waiting on Amazon to deliver my purse. I bought this money purse from Amazon. It is so gorgeous. You've seen it before. It's a clutch that has the, I think, $1,000 or $10,000, and it's bedazzled. So gorgeous. Like, I cannot wait for it to get here. So I'm waiting on that, fingers crossed. So that is what I'm planning my whole outfit with, those green shoes with that green clutch. So that's why I'm trying to find things I have with green. I'm trying to go for a sexy look, like baby. And I have this dress, which I love. Honestly, this may be it. But I cannot button it up to save my life. Hold on, it's not, I don't know if the holes are too tight. Like, it is not buttoning up. It's not going. I love this little sexy detail. But I cannot button these top parts, and it is pissing me off. And anywho, again, goes perfect with either shoes. And also in the bag, the bag does have, I think it has little colors of brown. So either way, either shoes will be perfect. I'm kind of loving the green because I feel it's a different green, but it still goes together. This tan nudish one, brownish nude, also goes well. But I cannot button this thing up. Like, I literally was over there struggling. The hole's too small and the buttons are too big to go through. I think I just have to cut these open because they cannot. What the? This would have been the perfect dress. But I would literally have to cut a slit in the holes. I'm pissed. I'm trying to figure out what else I have that I could pull off because I really don't want to cut this. I probably just want to send it back. This could go. This could go. And the green also matches the green in the dress. It is given, yeah, it's giving rooftop. It's a lot revealing. I wasn't trying to show off the cha-chas this much, but okay, this could go. But now I'm thinking the bag, the purse I order, I'm not sure if the purse is going to go with this or if it's going to clash. Like, I feel like it's going to clash with this one. But I do love this. With a red lip. I think that would be good. Okay.
So my camera ended up dying and this is the finished look. I honestly haven't gotten my nails done professionally in over a year. I get my toes done every 2 weeks, but I do press-on nails, and it saves you time and money. And you can find the cutest press-on nails from Ross, Burlington, Five Below. I see the hair stores now selling them. Check them out, and they're affordable. You could change them up every weekend.
They complement the look. And yes, I do have my pumpkins out already. I have my pumpkin on it. So these are the shoes. I love them. My purse. I'm going to put on my Coach spray.
The restaurant is called Olivia in Hollywood, Florida. It is a rooftop. It is so beautiful. You see the entire skyline of Hollywood, Florida. I definitely recommend. It's Italian food also. Honestly, it was so romantic. I wish I came with my husband, but I was so happy to be out with my girlfriend because I haven't seen her in forever. But this man was playing his butt off, but we didn't have cash to tip him, and I felt so awkward, like, all right now, go on. But it was still a beautiful moment. Again, it's an Italian restaurant. You could turn anything that they had into a pasta. I forgot the name of this, but it's pretty much a seafood pasta with clams, scallop, shrimp, salmon, and everything you could think of. It was yummy. Again, the views were gorgeous. We just chit chat, had regular girl talk all night. Back home, now I'm back on mommy time. Time to take off the jewelry, take off the makeup, and get ready for mommy mode. Of course, battery died again. And why is this little girl still up? So my nails are too long, so I definitely have to cut them. I don't know what I was thinking. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Again, my name is Vanessa, and I put out videos every week related to yoga, self-help, meditation, lifestyle vlogs. I am trying to put out videos 2 times a week, so bear with me. I'm working on it. So I'm trying to drop Wednesdays and Sundays. I may flip it up, but hope you guys enjoy. See you next time. Bye.